Here is the Biesse 1224 GFT CNC, being loaded and prepared for delivery from our warehouse. The team inspected the machine, secured it, and got it ready for transport. During the delivery, the CNC was fully covered and strapped to protect it from the rain and keep it stable throughout the trip. At the site, we used both a crane and a forklift to unload and position the machine safely. This part takes steady coordination from the whole team.